Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called App Store Optimization or ASO. Now mobile app we can develop by any kind of tools, online tools available like andromo.com, where you don't need any kind of technical knowledge, and without any technical knowledge you can develop beautiful mobile apps. Apart from that, there is another platform called PhoneGap, where you should have some knowledge about your HTML and CSS and JavaScript, and you can build nice applications that can be applicable for all the platforms like Android Play Store, Windows Phone, as well as iOS Marketplace, that is Apple Store. So with PhoneGap you can develop that kind of applications. Now if we check here, so if we search with PhoneGap, so you can see this PhoneGap. So easily create apps using the web technologies you know and love. So you have to install your PhoneGap in your local system and you have to develop this. Apart from that, there is another platform that is called andromo.com. You can create Android applications from it. And what is called App Store optimization, after you develop the application you'd get a .apk file, and that file you have to upload to your marketplace, market store. Like for Google Android there is Google Play Store, so you have to upload that apk file and you have to prepare your store listing in Google Play Developer Console, and then you have to optimize it. So that process is called App Store optimization. And the process is same for other platforms as well. So you'd discuss about Google Play Store Developer Console today. So we search with Google Play Store Developer Console. Now this you have to one time pay $25 to register with Google Play Developer Console. Then only you can upload your APK files, and there is no such limits. So it's a one-time payment you have to pay, and then you can upload different APK files there, and you have to prepare your store listing. So now you discuss more about what is called ASO. So you click on Google Play Developer Console, and I'm already logged in with my email ID, Gmail ID here. So you can see this all applications. This is the dashboard, and you can create a new application here. And so you click on first this add new application. So you have to put the title. So we put a title, say test 2. Now this title you have to write with keyword rich and with your brand, so that it would be attractive and people can get it easily. So suppose you want to put a name, any brand name, like the same way you prepare for your branding for your website, the choice of the name, it should be dependent, so that people can easily remember the application name, and also the description, the purpose of the application should be there. So you have to apply the title in that way. And then there are two buttons, upload APK and prepare store listing. So you have to upload this APK that you can get from Andromo or whatever your developer, or from PhoneGap if you have developed this APK file. So you have to upload it here from your local computer. Now we would go with prepare store listing. Now here you can see a particular form here. So you have to fill up all these things like title, like short descriptions. It should be keyword rich, attractive, with proper grammatically correct English. Then you have to write the full descriptions. You can write up to 4,000 characters here. Then you have to put the screenshots of phone, tablet, Android TV, Android Wear, different screenshots you have to put for your application. Next you have to put different high resolutions icons here, promotional graphics and videos you can add here, promo video link from YouTube you can put it here. Now you have to select the application type. You can see the drop down, this is application or games, so you have to select. Then you have to create the appropriate, you have to select the appropriate category, you have to write it over here. Then you have to select the content rating, that is for everyone or low maturity or whatever, so you have to select it. Now you have to content give your editorial content rating. So you have to, it's kind of a disclaimer, that is a new rule from Google, new policy from Google. You have to go for a content rating there. So you click on this content rating tab. You can see what is this content rating. So you can see this content rating. So it will only be visible after you upload the APK file. Now you see the website, email and phone number, and you can put your privacy policy link URL here from your website. So this form you have to fill it up, and then you have to properly blend the keywords in the description and short description area. Then after this you would get a kind of URL like this. So we search with 7boats Android app. So this is the URL actually we're seeing here. So this is the store listing page of 7boats. Now you see the title, you see the video, promo video, you see the screenshots here, a different kind of screenshots. Now you see the descriptions here, and you see the reviews. Now App Store optimization means you have to create keyword rich content with your title, description tags along with your screenshot images. You have to fill it up that form properly. This form you have to fill it up, and then you get this URL. Now you have to promote this URL. You have to share it in different social medias. You have to link it from your website, like we have linked it from our website. If you check with 7boats.com, you can see here how we have integrated it. So if you click on this, you would go to our Play Store link, and you have to do off page SEO, link building with this. You have to create link pyramid, you have to create micro blogging, you have to share it on social medias with this link so that it can get the popularity, the weightage. You can also create blog post from your own website with the link to this page. And if you do so, if it is then your users get more visibility in Play Store whenever they would click from their mobile on the Google Play Store, and if they search the applications with say keyword digital marketing or digital marketing tips under the utility or productivity or education category, so they would find the name of these apps. So if we go to Google Play Store here, so if you go to Google Play Store, so you click on Google Play, and here you can search with different apps. So you click on apps, and if you search with say digital marketing, say tips, now you see 7boats is at #1 position. So this is called App Store optimization. For that you have to optimize your App Store URL, you have to share it in different social media platforms, in microblogging platforms. You have to gather more and more original reviews. You have to tell your potential users and users about your Play Store listing so that they can more and more people can download, and they can share it, they can review it. So gradually your app listing would come at top, and this is called App Store optimization. In the later module you would discuss about how you can develop a mobile application with andromo.com. Thank you.